Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on the clicking sound that happens on a BMW. I have an M2 here, and I just want to show you, I'm converting this back to traded in actually, but there's a clicking sound that happens on the mating surface between the rotor and the back of the rim, and a lot of people are getting this wrong. This is not an expensive fix at all. It actually happens because of brand new clean rims mostly and real clean rotors. You can actually see on this mounting surface here that this is actually dirty where it mounts, even though these are brand new rotors. I just did like one road trip with these, so you can see where it's brand new, but this is where it's not touching. And this is because I fixed that clicking problem previously. I'll try to link it in the video here. But you can see on the back of these F8x rims that you can actually still see some of the brake quiet in here. So I sprayed the back of this rim with brake quiet, and then that actually transferred to the new rotor, and that's actually what's stopping it from the friction of the two different metal surfaces. And so you can use something like a brake quiet like this, and it's really just a friction surface problem that you have. There's a lot of guys getting this wrong online. There's a product that also that is a friction disc. It looks like those things that they put on brake pads that are right here on a brake pad. If you can see it, see the little piece of metal? They put those on here also, and you can buy them. I'll link that in the description below, but they're basically like a wheel spacer, but they're very, very thin, and so you don't need longer lugs or anything. But if you're having a clicking problem and you have spacers, you want to spray both sides of this because it might be the mating surface. You can see where it transferred onto this one, but not, and a little bit onto here. And again, that dirt actually like helps the surface slide that little bit because the ticking is actually just coming from the two very clean mating surfaces. So again, you might be able to do something like a brake caliper grease and just touch the surfaces here. I wouldn't really suggest that. I just sprayed the back of my rims because they were ticking real bad with this brake disc quiet, and it all went away. And you can see where it transferred to the factory rims also, so you can see the mating surfaces where it transferred to there, and especially on the back of these, you can still see it inside of the holes. You can still see it stays sticky no matter how hot it gets or whatever, but it just helps with that friction that's there. There's all these guys saying you have to go through a bunch of process, but that is not true. So I just wanted to cover that and make sure people had an idea of what's going on here. I see so much bad information out there, but again, it's actually a clean rotor and mating surface problem. They don't slip together very well. They mount, but everything's torqued down and everything's good, but you actually need it to be able to move a touch in between each other. And the different mating surfaces of metal, they just tick all the time because they can't move correctly. So you actually need something to make sure that they actually can in there. So cheers, guys. Hope everybody learned something. And again, we have a super cheap fix for this instead of a real expensive fix. Again, here's the M2. We're just transferring her back to factory to get her traded in. So I just wanted to cover that. I did this fix about 2 years ago. I've never had another problem with it. And like I said, I'll try to link that video. I gotta go dig to find it. But cheers, guys. Hope you learned something. Hope this can help. Cheers.